Hello students, welcome to the electronics class. Digital electronics unit is going on. In that we have studied number systems and conversion from one number system to another number system. Okay, let's move into the further topic, that is binary arithmetic. In binary arithmetic we have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Whatever we have learnt in decimal, the same thing we will learn in binary using binary numbers. Okay, almost all digital systems which we are using, they use binary arithmetic. That means binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication and division, that we will learn today. Okay, here first addition, will start with binary addition. In that you should remember 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, that you people know, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to, it cannot be 2, because in binary numbers we use only two bits 0 and 1 to represent all other any of the quantity. So it will be 1 0, or you should write 0 with carry 1. It should be 1 0, but you cannot write 1 0. In the same way 9 plus 1, we cannot write 10, right? We will write 0 with carry 1. In the same way we cannot write 2 here. So we also know that in tables 0 0 0 0 is 0, 0 0 0 1 is 1, 0 0 1 0 is 2. Okay, anyway backside zeros doesn't have any value, you can even write 0 1 1 0. 1 0 is nothing but our 2, decimal 2. In binary it is 1 0. So 0 with carry 1, or it is 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Okay, we will take an example and solve the problem. 1 1 1 0 plus 1 1 0 1 is the augend and this is the addend. 1 1 1 0 plus 1 1 0 1. How we will do this? 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1, what it is? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 0 plus 1, that is 1 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, that is in binary 3 is written, 3 can be written as 1 1. So if you want, you can convert this into decimal and verify it. It is 7, it is our 14 plus 13. How much it is? 27. Convert this. This is 2 power 4 plus 2 power 3 plus 2 power 2 is 0, 2 power 1 plus 2 power 0, that is 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, 24, 26, 27. Whatever we have done is right. Okay. Sometimes they may give you as 14 plus 13. Perform the binary addition of 14 plus 13. That time you have to convert this 14 into binary and the 13 into binary and then add it. Okay. Next one is, we will solve some more problems. 1 0 1 0 1 plus 1 1 1 1. 1 0 1 0 1 plus 1 1 1 1. 1 0 1 0 1 plus 1 1 1 1. You have to write from the LSB only, that you people already know. additional principles, whatever the principle of addition process in decimal, if you know it properly, then it will be easy. 1 plus 1 0, that is with carry 1. 1 plus 1 again 0 with carry 1, right? 1 plus 1 is 1 1, that is 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. This is our answer. Okay, we will do one more problem, that is 101 101 11 101 101 11 plus 111 011. 111 011. 101 101 1 actually, it's okay. We will take this example. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 1 it will be. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 with carry 1, and again 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. This is our answer. Okay. Next one is the last problem I will do. 1110 111. This is 7 plus 14, it is 14, it is 7. If you want, put 0 behind that. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, sorry, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 with carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Understood? Any doubts in binary addition, please text me. Okay. I will give you some 2 or 3 problems. Do it on your own. 1111 plus 1011. Second one, 101101 plus 101111. The third one, 101101 plus 10001. The fourth one, 1000110 plus 1010. Do these problems. If you find any doubt, you can also verify. I have told you, convert that to decimal and also convert and add it and verify your answer. Okay. Next is binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, before starting you should be knowing 0 minus 0 is 0. Same thing in decimal. 0 minus 1 is 1 with borrow 1. That means 0 minus 1 you cannot do. So, you will take borrow, that will be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. This you should be knowing. Okay. We will take an example problem. 11101 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 minus 1 0 0 1 1 is the given problem. This is a subtrahend and this is a minuend. 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 minus, you have to subtract. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 1 you cannot do, so you will take a borrow from here. That will be, in decimal it will be 10, but here it will be 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So here 1 minus 1 is 0, you have taken one borrow, and 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Okay. The next problem, one 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 1 1 6 ones minus 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Next one is not 1 0 0 1. I will take example of 1 1 1 0 1. In the textbook it is, it's a textbook exercise problem. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, and again 1. This is a very easy one you have got. The next one I will take 1 0 1 1 0 minus 1 1 1 1. 0 minus 1 we cannot do. I will take borrow 2 minus 1, that will be 1. Here you can see 0 minus 1 is 1 with borrow 1. So you have already taken borrow. Again here it will be 1 minus 2 you cannot do. You can do like that also. Already you have taken borrow. Again you need to take borrow from the next bit. So again it will be 2 minus 2 is 0, right? Again you have to take borrow. Here taken borrow, 2 minus 2 is 0. Again you have to take borrow, 2 minus 2 is 0. Is that a right answer? Just verify it. Yes, it's wrong. I will do once again. 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 I will do it. 0 minus 1 I cannot do. I will take borrow. 2 minus 1 is 1. Again here it will be 0. Again have to take borrow. 2 minus 1 is 0. Again have to take borrow. 2 minus 1 is 1. Again I have to take borrow. Again it will be 1. So again I have to take borrow. 1 is 1. Just check it. It is 15 and it is 6 plus 16. It is 22 minus 15. Here it will be, just a minute. I will take the other example, that is 0 minus 1 we cannot do. We will take borrow, that will be 1. With borrow 1 we have taken. So again here it will be again we have to take borrow, because again cannot be subtracted. So 1. Again we have to take borrow 1. Here it will be 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0 and it is 1. Sorry, it is again I have to take borrow here. I have already taken borrow from here. So again I have to take borrow from here to here. Again it is 2 minus 1 is 1. And here it is 0. 1 0 1 1 1 is the right answer. Okay. Okay. I guess people have understood. We'll solve some more problems in subtraction because binary subtraction is somewhat confusing. One one zero. We'll take some little number, smaller number 1011 minus 111. I will take 1011 minus 111. It is 11 and it is minus 7. You should get 4 should be the answer. What should be the answer in binary? 100 you should get. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0 and 0 minus 1 I cannot do. So, we will take borrow, then 2 minus 1 is 1 and it will be 0. Okay, we have got answer 4. The another problem is 10111 minus 10011. 110011 minus 100010. The third one 110110 minus 11111 and 11011 minus 1101. These four we will solve now. Please try to solve with me. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 0 0. So, we have got answer and this was a very easy problem we have got. 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 and again all zeros, here 1 and 0. Again the easy one we have got. Here 0 minus 1 we cannot do. If 0 minus 1 means it is 1 with borrow 1. So, here again we have to take borrow from here because already it has given 1. So, 2 minus 1 is 1 again. Again it has to take, it cannot take from here. So, it will take from here to here. Then it will be 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 and here again it has to take borrow. 2 minus 1 is 1 and it is 0. Verify this answer with decimal, it will be correct. You apply your own subtraction process. So, to the same subtraction process of decimal to binary, you can do it perfectly. 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 you cannot do, 2 minus 1 you can do, that is 1. Here it is again 0, I have to again take borrow here. Then 2 minus 1 is 1, here it is 0, 1 1 1 0 it is. If you want you convert it, minus 1 is, it is 16 plus 8, 24 plus 3, 27, it is minus 13, 27 minus 13 will be 4, 14 and it is 14 we have got. Any doubts in binary subtraction, please text me. There is a different subtraction process from your here this side, North Karnataka side. I have faced the same problem with the students here. If you have any problem with subtraction process, please text me. Next is binary multiplication. Binary multiplication, that 1010 into 10. This you have to do. Multiplication is very easy. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into anything is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I have to write. 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the answer. Only thing, 2-digit multiplication in decimal, you know, the same process you can apply here. Should not treat this as 10, it is 2, 1, 0 you should treat separately. One into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1. Again 4 zeros you have to put. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, 0 with carry 1, 0 with carry 1, 1, 0. If you want, you can convert it, and this is 13 into 5. How much you should get? 13 into 5 should be 65, and it is 65 we have got. If you want, convert this and check. And this is 10 into 2, 20. We have got 20 here. If you want, convert this and check. Okay. These problems will be asked in the examination for 2 marks. Binary multiplication and binary division will be asked for 2 marks. Okay. I guess you people may face problem in subtraction. Try some more problems in subtraction and let me know. Exercise problems, I have left it for you in the textbook. Do it, and any doubts come to me. Next one is 110111, 110111 into 111. For this you have to write all ones only. That is 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0. The same thing I have written. 1 here nothing is there, so it is 0 only. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 100 it is. So you have to put 0 here and 0 and 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is 0, again 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0. Is the answer. If you want, you can convert this. This is 32 plus 16, 48 plus 7 is 55 into 7. 55 into 7 will be 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35, 405 should be the answer. This should be 405 I guess. Just check. 2 power 8, 256, 128, 256 plus 128 plus 1 it is, how much it is? 300, it's not 405, 7 5s are 35, so 385, 7 5s are 35 plus 7 5s are 35, 38, 385 it should be. 5, 8, okay, it is 385. We have got the right answer. Okay. Any binary addition, subtraction, you can just convert it and check whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay. Try to solve exercise problems. In the last one, binary division will finish it off. 1100 divided by 10, that is 2. You can apply any of the division symbol. Ones are, again one digit you can take into consideration. Ones are 0 it is, then again zeros are. Okay, this is 2, binary decimal 2 it is, and it is 12 to 6 and it is 6. We have got right answer. Okay, one more. 111 binary divided by 1001. 1001, you can use any division symbol that you have practiced. Ones are 0, 1, 1, 0. Again you can take one more into consideration, one more bit. 1001, 0, 0, 1 and 0. Again one more bit is there. Ones are 1001. You got 0. The answer is 7. And this is our 9. We have got answer is 7, in the sense it should be 63. Convert it and check. Yes, sir. You will get the same numbers in decimal. Okay. The last problem I will do it in division process, and the textbook problems I have left it for you. Okay, ones are again you will take one more bit into consideration. Cannot, will take one more. Up to this you have taken here. After that I have taken one more. It cannot be divided. Again I have taken, put 0 and taken one more. It cannot be. So put one more 0 and take one more, and it is ones are 0 and 1. This will be the remainder, I guess. It is by ones are 0 and 1. Ones are, again if taken one more here, cannot be divided, put one more. So this is the answer we have got. Remainder, if you put point here, take 0, and that will be the long process. This is the way of division. Okay, remainder you can put it like that only. Usually there will not be any remainder in the examination. They will give completely divisible quotients only. They will completely divisible numbers only they will give. Okay. If you want, I will solve one more problem. 10100 divided by 100. Ones are again 0. Ones are. So this is the process of division. You should be knowing addition and subtraction properly. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1, that is important. And in 0 minus 1, 1 with borrow 1, that you should remember. And multiplication and division, you should apply the same process what you used to do in the decimal number system. Okay, then you will get perfect answers. Any doubts in today's class, please let me know. Okay, thank you.